Too
Unless
bad.
you don't like making money.
Yeah. If you don't like making money, don't stay with me.
Because money is, the root of all evil. I say dig, dig, dig.
I say, yeah. Give me
Dig
some
those
more.
roots out.
I'm looking for the bottom of that root. Guys, got that? The trial people again, 9:15. We'll post an alert. We'll send you a private message. You will go to the main login and you will go to the basic training room. To go through the open with coach. What a treat. Oh, 275. Follow my stops, guys. Haven't moved them. We haven't moved the stops. Here, I'll spell out in letters. Current stop on this short is 275. I need to put 33, 275, so it's clear. 33, 275. How about that? Clear, everybody? All right, being over top. We can move our stops down now. Yay. All right, look at that, guys. See how that 275 paid off for you guys, being patient? Those of you who got a little anxious, didn't get to keep the fruits of this trade. Now move your stops down. Look at that. Now we will use, see, I'm locking a lot more ticks now. Let's lock in at 238 is now the stop. 238 is now the stop. 238, you guys got it? Albert, make sure to make it a basic training on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay, Albert? Basic training on Tuesdays and Thursdays. All right, and the icons. Icons represent the level of membership. So we have some people who have done in-person mentorships. You're going to see things like elite badges next to their names. If you have a laptop, Albert, that means that you're a standard room member. It means that you just pay the $99 a month. Some people have gone to boot camps. They have that fancy little boot next to their name. Some people have I believe, a bag of gold next to their name. Those are people who've done some kind of in-person training. And then the diamond is a person who has proven to us that they can be a professional trader, and they pretty much trade professionally and do not need us anymore. They've done the training, they've done it in person, and they've got our seal of approval that they are a diamond. You guys are diamonds in the rough. One day you will get your diamond if you follow what we tell you to do and make it to an in-person training. We will watch your trades, look over your trades, and make sure that you are consistent and profitable along the way.
Coach Hugo, are you there?
That's weird, VA. You should have had it at 275. You'd have been fine. That is weird. The ask may have got you, VA. The ask may have wicked up and got you. Yeah, you get the next one. It's may have just gotten wicked out. I don't know. That's a weird one to me. Coach, any answers on that? Stops were at 275. A couple people got taken out at 274. Think the ask could have gotten them.
You know, maybe these are the full contracts now. Let's see the high. I can tell you,
238 is still a stop, guys. We can go
274 on the full contract. Let's switch quickly to
236.
the other one.
236 now to stop. 236. Go 2 more ticks, guys. Again, those of you on trial, you're going to get a private message of where to go for coach in the basic training room to help walk you guys through the open. Again, there, those on trial.
High print is 73.
Yeah, if you're on the MYM, I'm not sure. It may have gotten you at 270.
No, it couldn't have, because the high was 273. It's even lower than the YM. YM was 274.
Weird. I don't know why these people get that. That's weird.
Yeah. Are they on a sim?
275. Are you guys on sim or cash?
Yeah, the sim could do anything.
Those of you got taken at 274, is it sim or cash? You can private message us if you don't want people in the room to know. I'm interested. There's no shame in being a sim, guys. We want people practicing in sim anyway. That's where you get your practice in. All right, don't take us out here. Should have kept 238, coach. Oh well, good trade either way. 236 it is still, guys. Can't lose. Can't lose. Thanks, Dan. I'm patting myself on the back. All right, here's the plan, guys. When it breaks the low, current low, again, makes a new low, we'll move our stops down. We are doing nothing until then. Sound good, coach?
Yep. I'm talking to you, Hugo, right now. I'm trying to get set
get
up
that
here.
figured out. Go ahead and get that figured out. That's more pressing.
Yeah, I can't. All right, let me try that one. But then I'd be disconnected here, Coach Hugo. If I have to use a different login screen, then it doesn't even give me a login screen. It just moves me right in there.
Well, you can keep your charts in this room and share your charts in the other room too.
That's what I'm trying to, but there's one button.
Like you do class.
Speaking. Let me do a speaking thing here. Reconnect audio.
You may need to log out of the main site, coach, and log back in.
Yeah, let me try that.
I can share my charts for a bit while.
All right, let me try a new incognito window. That might be the answer.
Hugo knows better than me. Follow what he's telling you to do. I know trading. I do not know.
What do I put in the address bar?
Is he giving you a link, or I can give you a link?
Yeah, I got to go like right from the beginning. I have it in like auto setup. I just click on, it goes right to this room. So I bypass everything. Let me see what it's doing. Okay. Yeah, let me try that. Right. And then, okay, I've got the login screen. Now I've got to I'll type in just Coach AW. And then next it wants my email. Okay. Doesn't, let me see, does it have a click here? Not you, clear form.
All right, guys. As soon as we get that figured
That's
out,
what I'm getting, Coach Hugo. Email.
yeah,
Let's
just
see where it says password.
click here. See,
Click
it says
here.
click
Okay.
one at the bottom of that form.
All right. Aha. All right.
Put in the
There we go.
coach at LTClibertyTradingClub.com.
Okay, here we go.
Nope. No. Kenny, we're doing basic training today at noon Eastern. Okay, Kenny? Trial people only for a coach to go through the open. He's going to go through some of the stuff that these guys on trial have been seeing. If your dad's a member, Kenny,
Thanks, Hugo. Let me try it right now.
is your dad a member yet, Kenny? Standard member?
It looks good, I think. Yep. All right. I got to remember this process. Thank you. I think we're good. We got 6 people in there, it looks like.
You can use the gear icon.
8 people. Yeah. Okay. Let me post my chart.
Boot those people out. It's not a training, Lady Ty. It's more of an orientation for trial people.
Yeah, it's orientation, guys. You want to trade and make money? Stay here.
Those of you trading, those of you that are members, stay here.
Thanks, Coach.
It's really an orientation. Yep, that's fine, Kenny D. He can go to the orientation. Shimp's back.
You know what, Coach? In this room, I'll disconnect my charts in the main trading room, right? So you could show yours. Is that the best way to handle that?
We can do that. You can leave your chart shared here and share it there too.
The only reason I'm thinking is when I'm going to show them a point, I may focus on one chart, and you don't want me to do that in the main room. You
know? Oh, okay. Either way is fine with me.
Yeah. Okay, so one of the first things we do
Finally got us. It finally got us. All right. Good morning, Crash. All right, guys, let me get my charts shared here. Get myself set up for Brother Kelly. And a little slight different layout. Hopefully it's not too much for you guys. Not really that much different. All right, ladies and gentlemen, same as coaches. Top left screen, 133, middle 15 range with Sakasa playing on it. 2-minute chart, tick chart, time of sales, 15, 60 daily. Mine's set up like this. Obviously, guys, you know I do a lot of training. So there you go. Let me spit this guy back out so it's a little bit easier to see. Just put my support and resistance lines in the right spot for you guys. And we are rocking and rolling. I would say, guys, let's see what we got. 10 minutes till the open. So honestly, I would have liked to have stayed in that short. Probably moved their stop down a little too much. I think if we'd done the original 238, would have taken us still. Yeah, it would have just gotten us. So either way, we got one tick. How about that? One tick. Oh well, that's the way it goes. There's a nice hook on stochastics now, guys. This is obviously a support area, so let's watch this. Be patient and wait. Oh, crash. All right. That makes way more sense. Mahir, I'm not understanding what you mean by that. Yeah, I just put a little range there just because that's a spot that's been very interesting for almost 2 weeks now. The area has been pretty interesting, and prices fallen out of the area or broken above it quite a few times. So that's a big area of interest for me, Denise. Yeah, that's the thought process that I have. Is I always try to look at the London Open and see what they did, and many times does that mirror the. I think we could probably. Like I said, there was a hook on stochastics. If you did take the short, obviously take profits now, but I'm a little scared to jump in that just right away. I'm probably going to wait for the open now since we had a good trade. A couple good trades so far, really good trades. So I think we just kind of let things settle out a little bit. You talking about on that trade, Mahir? Sub was 2 through 6. Oh, yeah. If we had left our stop back, think about it like this, Mahir. If you'd moved your stop earlier, you would have been stopped out at 241. Those of you who squeezed their stop up too early got stopped out around 252. By us leaving our stop at 275, we didn't get stopped out, and we were able to move the stop down to 236. So do the math there, right here. Does that make sense? So if you'd been aggressive earlier in the stop management, you would have stopped. You'd been stopped out with less profit. Does that make sense, Mahir? Okay, perfect. All right. There is. Yep, that's it. So there's a method to the madness. I go based on the original entry, and that's the only way. You if you go too tight, you're going to get stopped out too early. If you stay too loose, you're going to give back some money from time to time. We try to find a middle ground between the two, right here. And it's always pretty darn tough to get the exact low. That would have to be an exact science. All right, trial people, head to the basic training room for orientation, and I think they're already over there. Coach will let me know. Coach will probably have like 2 people there, at least 3, 4 trial people for orientation. We are here in this lovely room with Coach Brian. Hi, and working through this. Like I said, anybody take the hook when I said it, guys, to go short? I did not. Good job, Stevie. Good job, Kenny. Good job, guys. Hey, look at you guys. Look at me. I'm just sitting here on the sidelines. I wanted to be in it. I was trying to get things set up for you guys. The entry was, the exact call happened at 3:20, 2:22. Most people probably entered at 2:17, 2:16, something like that. You guys probably got in around that. Right, Mahir. Take that. That would have been this call right here was more for our more advanced people. It was a tough one, but we've been making lows, so more advanced people knew how to get into this trade, and they knew to reduce their risk immediately to here, so that they didn't have to take a lot of risk in that trade. I'm assuming that's what you guys did. I like that, Stuart. I like that. we do that, let me look at this. The play on that, Stuart, would be to not use a very big stop, try to get in profits right away. We're too close to the open for me to do a sell stop like that, Stuart, also. Does that make sense? I like the play. Just be ready to move fast. If you put a sell stop, 171 sell stop, not a bad play. Just know that you're close to the open. You're probably going to take some heat. Did I miss anything, guys? Dan's hounding me. All right, guys, they're still in this trade, right? Stay in it, guys. Stay in it. Don't get out. Yeah, Denise, I'm with you. I'm not going to do the sell stop this close to the open because I'm like Stuart. I don't like heat. I'd be one tick below. Would definitely be one tick below Denise. The reversal candle, Coho. There's a reversal candle right here on the. Again, this is a more advanced trade. It doesn't fit into a newer member or newer traders repertoire, if you will. You guys can probably flat now. We'll get another one. Let's not push it before the open. If you're in, just stay in, put your stop a couple ticks in a profit, and whatever happens, whatever happens, happens. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, a couple disclaimers, guys. Coach probably went through it earlier with guys. If you didn't, you are to not trade the first 6 minutes unless you have explicit permission from us, meaning your coaches, meaning that you've gone through class, we've looked at your trade log, we've reviewed it for at least 30 days, and you've shown that you are consistent and able to trade in multiple types of market conditions. So no trading first 6 minutes unless you've been able to do that, or we've had a conversation with you and we just know that you're a professional trader. We have a lot of people in the room who are professional traders and they can do this and they can trade the open. They don't need our help with it. They're here because they like being here and get some good advice from us. And we actually get good advice from some of our members. All right, guys. 1 minute till open. 1 minute till open. I'll do my best to impersonate Coach. Now we're just going to let it rally up. By the way, on the first touch rule, guys, first touch rule here, if don't just take the first touch rule, especially on the open. More advanced people, even advanced people, you want to look for some kind of hook on stochastics, maybe a sell signal in the 15 range before you even attempt that on the open. So we want to be aware of that. 3 seconds, and we are open for business. And if you're trading the open, there's your sell signal. I would say let's just be a little bit more patient. Let's let it buy up. Remember what happened in London, guys. London, they pushed it up. Let them push it up. So again, if you're aggressive, take the sell signal. You guys see it there. If you're aggressive, if you're not aggressive, wait the 6 minutes. If you're a professional trader, you can take the heat. You can do it. Again, my advice is we're bouncing off support here, guys. So beware of that we are bouncing off support. And obviously, if you took the trade, mover stops. We are open for, hi, Mike. What's up, buddy? Flat. Anybody do that? Anybody grab that quick 20 tick winner? Any advanced people grab it? Good job, Mike. Could have done it again just then. Good job, guys. That's why these guys have all these badges that whoever was asking about it earlier. All the badges, the more badges, the more comfortable I feel with taking trades like that. Good job, Dan. All right. I got back in here, guys. I treat this like a pivot break. Again, first 6 minutes, be patient, guys. Tape looks lower. Mover stops down. Those of you with permission to trade first 6 minutes is mover stops. Okay, no lose situation now. Now keep in mind, we have bounced off of this area at least 5 times in the past, just over 2 weeks. This area right here, we bounced off of. So I'm moving my stop down to, let's just use mid-Bollinger right now. That'll lock in 10 ticks. And we'll just wait. So again, keep in mind, we've bounced out of the area several times. You guys still in with me? Those with permission. Ramon, I like it. Stay in, guys. Stay in. If it breaks this range here, we're going lower, guys. We're going lower. Stay in with me. I'm going to move one of my stops a little bit tighter, and I'll have one left. So I'm going to stay in with one contract, guys, unless it doesn't take it out. And we'll just keep the mid-Bollinger for my first contract, for my one that I'm going to take out. Let's just keep using that. For right now, those of you who only have one contract left, I would use this little retracement as your stop. Now we're going lower. So now you can move it lower. Let me get that puppy moved down. Still got 2 with you, Robert. Still got 2. Hey. All right, 9:33, guys. Again, be patient. I know you guys are getting FOMO and seeing us make money here. Be patient. Trust me. We will get a trade. It's only 6 minutes that you have to wait, and this gives us a good idea of what the institutions want to do. It's for your own good. Trust us, guys. There's a method in madness. You will get to trade the open. You will get to trade the open once you've proven that you can do it. All right. I've got one on the mid-Bollinger and one back behind this little retracement area, guys. So those of you with 2 contracts, 1 contract left, I would use the bottom of this retracement as your stop and leave it right now. Again, keeping in mind that we're probably going to bounce off this a little bit. So just keep in mind that we're probably going to bounce off this area or bounce around in this area for a little bit, guys. See how convenient these lines are? Hey, how about that? All right, got one left. Tex Bob's a madman. Madman. And we have 1 minute. Let it rally up, guys. And then when we see the hook on stochastics, you guys can get back in short. I'm a little afraid of this zone. If history repeats itself like it has the past couple of weeks, it will bounce out of the zone. There's your hook on stochastics. Give me a bit. It's under drawing tools. Give me a bit. Let's finish the trade, Denise, please. Remind me in a few minutes, Denise. Yes. Those of you, did anybody do the short below the low of yesterday? Did anybody do that as well? You had a couple options on entry here. Everybody should be in now. Everybody's in taking profit, right? I just said the hook of stochastics. There's your hook. Take it. Everybody should be in now. Newbies, veterans, everybody alike. Take some profits. Lock into a no lose situation now. Keeping in mind that this could be a bottom. Okay. Those of you with one contract left, we're going to use this retracement here as our stop. And it's probably, so all of our stops probably should be about the same spot, no matter where you got in. Everybody's taking profit now, and we're all happy, right? Everybody's happy? Dan, you got that? Follow me, get that, Dan? Good. Happy. All right, guys, it didn't take us out. I don't know why anybody's telling me they're flat. It didn't take us. Don't be telling me you're flat. Nice starter. Love it. I'll get you going here in a minute when we're out of this trade. There is an M. That is it. It is what number letter in the alphabet? It is what number? How many letters is M in? So this yellow line gets broken, guys. We are going to go lower. I have my chart set up to be color-coded for training purpose usually. So I use stuff like this for training people. It's a good win for us, guys. Those that went flat, hopefully you took the M. Robert called it. Here we go. Now you can move your stops, everybody. Everybody move your stops. Yeah. We're going to use this little section right here. All right. We want to be one tick above that. 111. If you want to be aggressive, you can use parabolic. You can use the parabolic as your stop. If you really want to be aggressive and you're afraid of making money, use the parabolic. Again, I'm kind of weary of this area. I'm telling you guys that. I keep saying it. I'm weary, but I'm being relaxed with my stops because we're well into profit. So 111 for veteran traders. For newbies, if you want to be aggressive, you can use mid-Bollinger still, or parabolic, or the other. Giving you options. Don't tell me you're flat when we're up. Those of us who originally got in the trade should be up. Oh gosh, what is going on with this thing? Well over 100 ticks, guys. Well over 100 ticks. 150 ticks so far. All right, guys. Now we use this next retracement. We're using the next retracement. This will be our stop above this. Mahir, is this making sense to you now? Mahir, is this making sense to you? Wee! 200 tick runner for us, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do it. Please tell me the newbies got in on the M or the hook of stochastics. Please tell me. That's okay, Mahir. You're in the learning phase. I completely understand that. Okay, we move our stops down now, some guys. use this the yellow line here. So we're going to be at what is that? Oh, geez. I think that looks good. 60. Yeah, 59 is good. 59. 59 is good. Again, this is support. So again, if you are looking for a target, this is a good target. If you have one left, we're well into profits. No need squeezing that top stop so tight. Oh, sorry, Mahir. I didn't see your comment on them. I'm trying to, manage the trade and give you guys the talking points. Please do the homework. Yes. Today in basic training at noon, guys, we're going to be going through support, resistance, calculated volatility number, support, resistance, calculated volatility number. At noon today, support, resistance, calculated volatility number. For those of you who are going to basic training at noon. All right, let's use 41. 41. 41. Nice job, David. 41 locks in. For those of you who took this trade, you should have about 80, 60 ticks, 60, 80 ticks. Those of you who got in the trade on the open with us, we're up a good couple hundred, almost a couple hundred ticks, 160 ticks. That's locking in. Think about it, guys. We're at 40 right here, at whatever, 40, 41. We're locking in 160 ticks ish. Nice, Dan. Just leave it there. We'll either get stopped out or it'll go lower. That's it. All right, guys, this is the proverbial line in the sand. If I have like this area laid out like this because it has bounced out of here 6 times, I believe 6 times, 5 or 6 times in the past couple of weeks. So beware that could happen. Again, I'm happy locking in 160 ticks. So either lock in 60 or 100. There we go. 60 or 160 ticks. So we can also pay. Yeah, this could be that. You could get a FOBO. Good job, Stuart. Good trade, guys. Nice job. Nice job. You guys are all flat now, right? Everybody's flat. You guys happy with that? If you're really aggressive, you could do another hook on stochastics here. If you're really, really aggressive. I'm going to probably let it get out of this zone before doing much else. Oh, yeah, we just did a volatility number. There you go. That's more for the advanced guys, ladies and gentlemen. I really want to get out of this range here, guys, before I do anything else. So we had a few done for the days. Let's get the gong out. How about that? Nice work. Those of you who went short again, lock in profits. How many of you guys that were given permission took, or everybody, you guys took 60 to 160 ticks out of that? Yeah, that's what I've been saying, Tim. This is a multi-day support zone. Quite a few times. Oh, Paul, that's all right. You didn't lose any money. Now we can look at ticks, guys. Keep in mind where ticks started this morning. Didn't even get a chance to review that yet. Ticks started very, very, very negative. That is a bearish sign. Nice job, guy. Nice job, guys. I think we take a break now. Everybody's green so far this morning, right? You all green. Everybody's green. I don't know how you're not green if you followed what we just did. Guy, I will give you a gong. Good job, guy. Everybody's green. Good job. That's what I love to hear. Private message me if you are red. We will try to fix that. Nice, Pachal. Yeah, again, those of you who shorted that hook on stochastics, you're doing well already. Did anybody go back short on that? I didn't. Red with anger. That doesn't count, Paul. Paul, set your 27-minute timer. Chill out right now. Don't take a trade for 27 minutes, Paul. Got it? Tex Bob did the short. Nobody else did the short. Need to know more about this timer. So the market moves, the market moves in 27-minute cycles. So one of the things that we do to help people from over trading or making dumb mistakes when they're upset about something is we have them set a 27-minute timer. Go stand in the corner, Paul. Does that make sense, my ear? Paul, the market moves in 27-minute cycles. Kev Dog, you know what to do, Kev Dog. You don't have to get in timeout. Oh, Stevie, tell me. Let me know. I'll call stops for you. Just because I'm not in the trade doesn't mean you guys can't be. I'm happy with the 160 ticks I took out of that first. Between the two trades I got in today, that's not a bad morning. Well over 200 ticks. Mahoney, I will get on to you. You know to let me know that you're in the trade and I call stop for you. Right, Mahoney? Mahoney. Talking to you, Mahoney. Set a call up with me, Mahoney. Let's adjust your ATM. It's time for you to start manually moving your stops. Sound good? Zero tick read. This is something that I will take a nibble at now that we're breaking down past this zone. We'll probably do a tick fade here, guys. Tick, tick, boom. Scared. No, set up a call. We'll just adjust your ATM and help you work on manually managing your stops. Those of you that have done coaching with me, is it worth it? Tell her. Is it worth it? Do coaching with me. It's not, right, Chanel? There you go. Don't fight your brothers and sisters, Viv. Don't fight your brothers and sisters. We will get you there. Still scared. I'm scared of the zone, guys. I'm just scared of the zone. I'm sitting on my haunches. Let's see if we can do. I'll do sim. All right. So I'm gonna switch to sim, guys. Switching to sim. Practice. Yeah, we might actually get a good first touch rule here. It's just I just don't like this zone. I don't like it. I know what's happened here in the past, and until it breaks out of it one way or the other, I'm kind of gonna skip. Oh no, that's okay, y'all. I mean, if history repeats itself, guys, there's a long opportunity for those who are very, very green and are proved to counter trend trade. It's not a bad plan, but y'all, you can do that. It's a good long trade, guys. I mean, again, it's counter trend. I don't want to get anybody in trouble that has to stay with the trend, but again, guys, I'm going to tell you the exact same thing. Those of you that are very aggressive can do a short here on the first touch rule. I would confirm it with the 15 range sell signal, which means we need to be here. I'm not going to take it. You guys know exactly why I'm not going to take it. I can keep repeating myself. I'm afraid of this range. I would call this more of a buy signal than a sell signal. But if you took it, it's not a bad trade. Now you're making money, lock in profits. Just don't. I don't think that you're gonna have to be quick with the trigger, get to a no lose situation fast. And in other news, don't give back your green. That's the point I'm trying to make, guys. That why we took. Think about it like this: we took 4 probability, 2 before the open, 1 on the open, and 1 for everybody else that couldn't trade the open. If you need more than that, don't. Sound like a good plan, guys? Coach Hugo, text Bob, they're wild men. They can trade. They're approved to trade any direction the way they want to. Coach Robert, all these guys are welcome to do it. But if you're newer to trading, you're newer to this group, be happy with the money you've made already this morning. My sincere advice is you got your 3 or 4 trades in, switch to sim. You're done. You made your cash today. Unless you accidentally traded sim the first time. Then what do? Wait 27 minutes. Get yourself back in mentally in shape. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. All right. Got to give you a little crap, Mahoney. Just a little bit. Good job, you guys. There is a little M there, guys. I'm not trading it. I'm telling you what I see. If you guys choose to do it, you do it. You guys know what am I waiting on? Tell me what I'm waiting on, ladies and gentlemen. All you guys out there are too busy looking at the other people posting their trades and they're taking longs and shorts all over the place. And if you're newer to trading and you don't know how to manage your stops and you're having issues, this is not the place to do it. Look at that. What did I tell you guys? Yeah, that's what I'm waiting on. Thanks for telling me. Nice job, Robert. Good job, Coach Hugo. Counter trend, people. Anybody long? Text Bob is. Walk away with it. Be happy. There's Tony. Tony. Well, Coho, this is one of the big reasons I'm sitting on the sideline for a little bit. ATR, we're in a range I don't like. We're in an area that has proven to be very choppy for at least 2 weeks, Coho. So I'm not as worried about the ATR right now as I am this area that's just proven to be hard to trade for 2 weeks in a row. Make sense, Coho? So yeah, ATR is high, guys. We know that. You've got to use, theoretically, you're looking at a 60-point stop no matter what trade with a 45 ATR, right? Yeah, I mean, come back and Coho. You can come back in the afternoon. Yeah, this is. I'm not trading again. I'm not trading it, guys. If you guys really want to do it, switch to sim and practice your tick fade trades. Short the high tick reads, or if you really think we're going to bounce long out of this, take a low tick read long, but do it in sim practice. I'm not going to trade the zone. I'm not doing it. Can't. You could pay me to do it, but I think that price would be like more than what my stop losses would be. So you pay me $2,500, I'll trade it. How about that? All right. Just Venmo me the 2,500, Hugo. I'll trade it. I'll trade the zone. I'll burn that 2,500 up in a heartbeat. Tick fade trades. Yeah, tick way better, Chad. You're getting pretty good at that, Chad. Now's the time to practice it, guys. We're in consolidation. Take the high tick read, short it. I mean, you see, there's plenty of ticks to be made. I mean, I don't want you guys doing it in cash again because I don't like the zone. But short the high tick reads. You get a high tick read here short. Now, again, guys, if we do break this level low, I think I would be interested in a sell stop down here. So that's about the only thing I would be interested in right now. I'll see. We got the trade. Look at 30 minutes, which in reversal. Stuart, I just got back to you. Sorry about that.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. During your time with us, you'll have access to our live trade calls, as well as participation in chat to get your questions answered by a coach. After your first free 3 days, it's just $99 a month for trade room access. Please like, subscribe, and share.